Some tools never change. A hammer is a hammer, a hairbrush is a hairbrush, and for nearly 150 years, a nail clipper has always been just a nail clipper. Current nail clippers require odd, uncomfortable movements of your wrist and can easily rotate or shift unexpectedly, which is an issue when you're holding a sharp object. It also requires you to be able to have a strong squeeze between your thumb and your pointer finger, which may not seem like a big deal, but degeneration at the base of the thumb is very common among people over the age of 50, causing them to struggle with this pinching movement. And when you lose strength in that motion, cutting nails is one of the first tasks affected. As orthopedic surgeons ourselves, we've become used to precise surgical instruments built for ease of use and accuracy. We thought, why can't we bring this type of quality, ease, and precision we find in the operating room to consumers in their own homes? That's why we invented Clipper Pro. Its unique swivel function allows you to position your hand, wrist, arm, and shoulder in the most comfortable position for you. The double action mechanism makes cutting your nails much easier, requiring very little strength to operate. And our surgical grade stainless steel blades cut cleanly, precisely, and effortlessly. We've spent the last 10 years working diligently to take an outdated, frustrating hygiene tool and bring it into the modern era. By combining decades of experience as orthopedic surgeons with innovative engineering, state-of-the-art manufacturing, and cutting-edge design, we have created a revolutionary tool. Clipper Pro is so precise it could be used in the operating room, and it is now available for use in the comfort of your own home. We are passionate about Clipper Pro, and we are confident you will love it too. All of our tooling has been made, tested, and personally inspected by us. We are ready to go into production. Back us today and help bring Clipper Pro to life.
Freestyle is basically a new redesigned, re-engineered nail clipper. It's basically brought up to date. You know, you've got razors and you've got hairbrushes and toothbrushes, and they've all innovated and evolved over time, whereas the nail clipper has essentially stood still. So I wanted something basically that would sit nicely on the bathroom shelf. Looking at what's already out there, I don't think they're up to the job, and they don't perform very well. They're quite cheap products, and I wanted something a bit more of a premium product which going to do the job and bring it into this century. So I'd seen that through research. Nobody's ever really looked at redesigning it correctly or properly in my eyes, so I wanted to do something about it. I've got an engineering and product design background, and I'd apply that to a new freestyle product. When speaking to other people, you know, if I got a nail clipper out now, a conventional nail clipper out now and started clipping my nails, people would recoil in disgust. You flick the nails in every direction, even to the point in signs up in the subway in New York saying, "Do not clip your nails." And it's common around the world. It's a problem that exists. It's only a small problem, but to a lot of people it's a pretty disgusting problem. So reinventing the nail clipper, I wanted to tackle these issues really. I wanted to get a product which was brought up to this century. We've made a conscious decision when designing the product that, you know, high on the priority list has got to be the environmental factors. One of the key things is we wanted a product that was going to last. We're so used to throwaway items, where I think now in terms of one of the key things which would be a big environmental benefit is to make products last longer. So that's why we've got a die-cast body. We've got surgical grade stainless steel blades which are hardened to retain their cutting edge. We have got replaceable elements, but we've taken that into consideration as well in terms of the material used is biodegradable. We also do a take-back plan, which means we can, you know, once you order some new ones, we'll dispose of the old ones which are recycled. We've also tried to make a conscious decision to keep the supply for the components as locally as possible. Here in Yorkshire we've got a great network of manufacturers, designers, and they're right on my doorstep, so it seems silly not to be able to use these people. This in turn, it means that it cuts travel time down. I'm able to just travel 5 minutes down the road, talk about, you know, how we're going to resolve design issues and get the supply chains set up to ensure that we've got the best possible environmentally friendly product. Freestyle, clip, catch, control.
Are these scenes familiar? Are you always annoyed by the flying nail clippings? Why letting all the cleanup work causing trouble and wasting your time? We've been there and we definitely understand. That's why we make this design. We name it Nail It. Nail It is made up of food-grade silicone. It is elastic that can fit both nail clippers in the world. The nail clippings cannot fly away from both the side and the front of a clipper. And the cleanup work can be done just in seconds. You can dismount it with ease or simply put it away. If you want to have no more flying nail clippings, please support us. We want to bring Nail It to the world so that you can clip your nails in bed without any trouble. Thank you for watching.
The S1 from Safety Paws. Here's how it works. Slide the on-off toggle to the on position. The S1 illuminates red, indicating that the device is on, but locked in safe mode and ready to scan your pet's nail. Insert the nail into the opening. The S1 remains locked until the sensor detects that the nail is safe to cut. Once the S1 determines that the nail is safe to cut, the LED will illuminate green, indicating that the device is unlocked and ready to cut. Press the activation button when ready. The S1's blade will do the rest. The S1 from Safety Paws. We thought of everything.